The time of your life where you feel lost. Imagine this, conquering your fears, landing your dream job, or acing that exam you thought was impossible. It's not a fantasy, it's your future. With the right mindset, you're destined for greatness. Let's talk habits. From hitting the gym to setting aside time for mindfulness, small actions lead to big results. You're not just creating habits, you're crafting a lifestyle that empowers you. Imagine each day as a stepping stone. Your routine fuels your energy, focus, and confidence. Remember, consistency is the key to crushing your goals. Learning is your superpower. Whether it's a new language, a musical instrument, or a skill you never thought you'd master, each discovery enriches your life. So keep that curiosity alive. Now let's face challenges head on. Whether it's a setback or a curveball life throws at you, remember, every obstacle is a chance to prove your resilience. You've got what it takes. I used to doubt my abilities until I started embracing failure as a stepping stone. Trust me, those moments of doubt can lead to your greatest breakthroughs. Connection is key. Surround yourself with a tribe that uplifts you, shares your passions, and believes in your dreams. Together, you're an unstoppable force. In a nutshell, life's a roller coaster, but guess what? You're in control. Embrace the twists and turns as your journey is your masterpiece.